smells related to decompositions can be very tricky to get rid of. Second only to cat urine, it's the hardest thing that we remove as far as smells. The very first thing we have to do in any decomposition is remove contents and remove the affected areas, physically remove the remnants of the deceased. So similar like a dirty baby diaper, you know, the room might smell, but then once you remove that diaper, it begins to smell better again. So first thing is remove all the physical remains. And the next step is literally just doing demo and peeling back the layers. I tell people it's kind of like an onion. We're just peeling back layer after layer until we physically don't see any more evidence of body fluids. And at that point, we'll do all of our standard washing procedures that we do, biowashing surfaces, treating with a disinfectant. After all that is done, we'll swab the surfaces with an ATP machine to verify that it's truly cleaned and disinfected. And then we start treating the home itself, the whole home, for odors. And that process can take several days. We've even had some that have taken a couple weeks. So it really just depends on how extensive the decomp is, but smell removal for that can be very tricky.